Hi, my name is Gad Ravid and I am Visual Composer Solution Expert in SAP. I will show you a short presentation about VC5. I'll start with a short introduction and then a short demo. So, I hope you know what is a Visual Composer. If not, I'll show you after the presentation a very short demo. So, Visual Composer is a rapid development application tool. You don't have to know to write a code, any code line. You just have to use the tool. It's a drag and drop tool. You connect component and services, and then you can very easily create an application. Till now, Visual Composer could create a WebDynpro runtime. This is the current version. So the new thing we just developed and planned to be released to customer with NetWeaver 731 SP11 is actually the same Visual Composer. The design time looks exactly the same. You don't have to learn anything new. You use the same Visual Composer with the same connectivity framework, so you can run it on top of BAPIs and storage procedures. And after you finish to create the application, you deploy it, and then you have a SAP UI5 runtime application. You can run it on the on-premise portal, in SAP mobile portal. So when the application is ready, you can run it on every mobile device, any operation system, iOS, Android, Windows. I'll show you a really short demo. We started with a mock-up of a purchase requisition approval application. The employee creates a requisition to buy, for example, a screen for his desktop, and then the manager receives this application and this requisition and has to approve it. I'll jump to Visual Composer and you'll see it. Okay, this is Visual Composer. This is a storyboard. You can run Visual Composer inside your browser. There's also another option to run it in Eclipse, but VC5 is running currently only inside the browser. So this is the application we created on top of HANA. You have two stored procedures, two UI components. The left one is a tile view. It's a new UI component that we created especially for VC5. The right one is a form. Let's go to the Design tab. Here, for each tile, you click on each tile, you see the details of the tile on the right in the form. Here you can change the layout, and in the Design tab you can see all the flow of the information from one service to the UI component and into the other service. Let's deploy this application. And I can show you the runtime. Just a minute. Okay, let's open it here. Okay. So this is the running app. This is a SAP UI5 runtime application. You can click on each tile and see the details on the right. You can approve each tile or decline it, each requisition. And here it's on my desktop, but you can run it on every mobile device and any tablet. I'll show you some more applications. This is an application that was created by Comprise IT. We had a workshop together. So here you can retrieve a user from the ECC. The system administrator of the company can retrieve a user, and then he can lock or unlock the user inside in the ECC. Another application, it's the travel request. Again, tile view on the left and form on the right. You can choose each tile and see all the details on the right. You can create a new travel request. You can edit an exist travel request, and again you can run it on mobile devices. This is a application with charts. You can see revenues per branch. So this is in Spain, but let me change it to United States, for example. So you see all the revenues in $1 million in the States, and you can check each chart and see the details. It looks quite nice. The nice thing with Visual Composer that it takes a few hours to create the application. You don't have to write any code, just drag and drop. Okay, thank you very much. It was VC5 in a nutshell, and see you soon. Bye.